Old-fashioned detailing. You see it's raining. We still out here getting it. Let's see. Taylor in the building, cleaning, leather conditioning, seats. Got me down here. I'm about to shampoo these. You see that? That's rain. That ain't solution. That's just rain. Cause we out here raining. We out here working in the rain. See that? Floor's wet. Taylor out here just jamming. All right, so we got a detailed challenge of the day. Let's get into it. Here we go. We don't know what this unknown specimen is. It's all on this center console and on the floor. We got some gum, some dog treats, a whole bunch of junk. Let's get to it. All right, here's our finished product. We couldn't get it all the way up. That's okay. They got it looking way better than what it was. At Old Fashioned Detailing, we believe it's important to get your car washed regularly and detailed every 2 to 3 months to help preserve the finish of your vehicle.